Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel. This is Bayan Read Quran channel. My name is Ali, by the way. And in this lesson, we're gonna learn how to read correctly Surah An-Nasr. Let's begin. Surah An-Nasr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Surah begins with E. E, the, إذا. This is the letter Zal. You should place the tip of your tongue lightly between the upper and lower front teeth. Then you will pronounce it. The. This is English TH in that or this. إذا. There is stretching because of alif. إذا جاء. This is letter Jim. A. Then there is stretching here. Then Hamza and A. In previous lesson in Surah Al-Masad, we talked about the separated mad, يعني منفصل mad in tajweed. There is a rule here. It is called mad muttasil. It looks like mad munfasil, but unlike mad munfasil, mad muttasil must be stretched 4 or 5 counts. A simple explanation of this rule: if a long vowel and hamza are in the same word, we must stretch the sound. Look, this is one word here, and there is long vowel, then hamza are in the same word. This is mad muttasil. Muttasil means connected mad. إذا جاء إذا جاء. You have to stretch it. إذا جاء. Then nun a s. Nas. Nas. This is bolder se. S. S. Nas. Nas. This is not nas. This is nas. Then ro. Nasru. إذا جاء نصر. إذا جاء نصر. There is tafkhim here. You should pronounce this raw bolder. Nasru. Then you should link this u to the next word. This is lam here doubling. Nasrullahi. 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 There is stretching here for fatha. Nasrullahi. إذا جاء نصر الله. Pay attention that you have to pronounce this word bolder. There is tafhim also. Nasrullahi, not Nasrullahi. This is Nasrullahi. إذا جاء نصر الله. إذا جاء نصر الله. Where there is a wow a, then you will link this a to this lam. You don't read this alif. Well, then hold it like this. Well, fa, fa. Then ha, you have to stop there. Well, fath. Well, fath. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. Let's read the next ayah. Begins with waw. Wa ra. There is tafkhim here. Wa ra a y. Wa ra'ayta. This is a hamza qat'iyya. Then there is ya with sukun, ta with fatha. ورأيت ورأيت ورأيت. We will link this a to this noon. ورأيت الناس. You have to stretch here. There is mad tabi'in, natural mad, because of this alif. ورأيت الناس. ورأيت الناس. ورأيت الناس. Then يد. Yade. There is bouncing rule. Light bouncing. Yade. Yade. Khu. Yade khu. This is letter kha here. Yade khu. Luna. Yade khuluna. Letter kha doesn't exist in English. You can hear this letter in Spanish like Jose. Kha is a strong sound from the back of the throat. Yade khuluna. يدخلون. You stretch U here because of this vowel. This is حروف المد, stretching letters. يدخلون. يدخلون. Then في, this is في, fa, I, then ya. في دي, this is dal, I, ya, na, I. ديني. في ديني. There is stretching here, and also there is في ديني. في ديني. We will link this E to this word, to this lam. في دين الله. We will stretch the A. Then there is he. في دين الله. In this word, you don't read it like from here. There we read this word Nasrullahi with tafkhim, bolder. But in this case, we read it lighter. There is tarqiq. في دين الله. في دين الله. Because there is E before this word and there is U before this word. If U comes before this word or A comes, you have to pronounce it bolder. In other case, you have to pronounce it lighter. في دين الله. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله. F, there is a F بالسكون و, then a, then stretching. أفواجا. There is jim and we will stop with stretching. أفواجا. أفواجا. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. Let's continue. There is fa here. Fa, sa, double B, then E, then h. فسبح. 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 Then this is B here. There is a point under the line. Then ha. Letter B, then E, then ha here, and a. بحمدي. بحمدي. فسبح بحمدي. فسبح بحمدي. را, this is تفخيم. ربك, double B, then E, then kaf, then a. ربك. فسبح بحمد ربك. Then wa, a here, then we will connect this a to this scene. Was, tagh, واستغ. واستغ. This is غين here with sukun. واستغ. في r with sukun, then ha. واستغفره. واستغفره. There is interesting rule here. You can see often this sign. This is not letter to pronounce. It is a stop sign, وقف sign. This jim means وقف جائز, يعني permissible stopping. When you see jim above a word, you may stop, you may continue. Both are correct. There is no mistake either way. This sign is to help with breathing. You can breathe here by stopping. Like فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهِ. Then you breathe, then continue. We will stop in this case because we are beginners. وَاسْتَغْفِرْهِ. وَاسْتَغْفِرْهِ. فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهِ. We will stop like this. فِرْهِ. Then continue. إِنَّ. Double noon here. إِنَّهُ. Double noon with shadda here, then a, then ha, u, then stretching. إِنَّهُ. إِنَّهُ. إِنَّهُ كَانَ. Kaf a, stretching. Nun a. كَانَ. إِنَّهُ كَانَ توابا. This is ta, a, wa, doubling, a, stretching, ba, a. توابا. توابا. إنه كان توابا. Let's read from the beginning of this ayah. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. Let's read from the beginning of the surah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. I recommend you to watch our previous video lessons too. We talked about a lot of rules and letters in the previous lessons. Watch and learn step by step. And of course, listen to more Mujawid surahs, Mahmoud Khalil al-Khusari, and try to imitate. Listen more, imitate, don't try to learn many rules. This was the end of this lesson. Thank you for your attention. Recommend our channel to others and make dua for us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.